Want to fight like Bruce Lee, moving with speed, striking with precision, and adapting like water? This 7-day beginner's guide to Jeet Kune Do is your entry point into one of the most practical and powerful martial arts ever developed. Created by Bruce Lee, Jeet Kune Do is more than just a fighting style. It's a philosophy of directness, adaptability, and self-expression. While true mastery takes time, this plan gives you a focused, structured path to build your foundation in just 1 week. Each day will build your mindset, movement, and combat skills, the Bruce Lee way. Jeet Kune Do starts with the mind. Bruce Lee didn't create a style with fixed forms. He created a philosophy. The core principle is to absorb what is useful, discard what is not, and add what is uniquely your own. Begin your journey by diving into Bruce Lee's writings, such as The Tao of Jeet Kune Do, or watching his interviews. Focus on understanding what it means to be like water, to flow, to adapt, and to remain formless. Reflect on how this mindset applies not just to martial arts, but to daily life. Today is about setting the foundation in your mind before building the body. Your fighting stance is everything. The Jeet Kune Do on-guard stance is not static. It's built for constant motion, quick defense, and explosive attacks. Stand with your strong side forward, right foot and right hand if you're right-handed, knees slightly bent, and your weight on the balls of your feet. Angle your body slightly sideways with your lead hand extended and rear hand near your chin. This position minimizes openings and maximizes readiness. Practice in front of a mirror. Move side to side, forward, and backward. This stance is your launch pad. It must feel natural, fluid, and alive. Bruce Lee's signature technique was the straight lead punch, fast, non-telegraphed, and devastating. It's thrown from your lead hand directly to the target, using your entire body for momentum. There's no wind-up, no warning. It's pure speed and accuracy. Stand in your on-guard stance and snap the punch forward, retracting immediately. Practice in rounds, shadow box for 2 minutes at a time, or hit a focus mitt or heavy bag with precision. Focus on economy of motion, getting to the target with no wasted effort. This punch defines Jeet Kune Do: simple, direct, and brutally effective. Movement is the secret weapon of Jeet Kune Do. Bruce Lee trained footwork obsessively, knowing that positioning wins fights. Begin with step and slide drills. Step your lead foot, then slide your rear foot to follow. Practice advancing, retreating, and circling. Stay low, balanced, and springy. Add lateral and diagonal movements to control angles. Good footwork means you strike when you want and disappear when you must. For 10 minutes, flow across the floor like water, silent, smooth, and deliberate. Proper movement isn't just support, it's attack, defense, and control. Jeet Kune Do means the way of the intercepting fist, and this principle is central. Bruce Lee taught that the best defense is to intercept an attack before it lands. This isn't blocking, it's dominating. Practice timing your lead punch or a low-line kick to strike during your opponent's motion. This takes timing, awareness, and calm under pressure. Use slow-motion drills to imagine an incoming strike and beat it to the punch. Train this concept until it becomes instinct. Once mastered, you'll control the flow of combat, not react to it. In Jeet Kune Do, kicks aim low, not flashy, but strategic. The lead leg side kick and oblique kick target the opponent's knees, thighs, or shins. These strikes break balance, disrupt forward movement, and set up your hands. Raise your knee in chamber position, then snap the kick out using your heel. Practice on a bag, pad, or dummy. Do 3 rounds of 20 kicks per leg. Add them into your footwork and shadowboxing drills. These kicks are not for show, they're surgical tools meant to control and cripple. Bruce Lee believed in doing more with less. Every movement should be intentional, direct, and clean. This is known as the economy of motion. No extra steps, no wind-up, no wasted energy. Record yourself shadowboxing or hitting pads. Watch for unnecessary motion. Shoulder twitches, arm swings, hesitation, eliminate it. Then train again. Sharper, smoother, cleaner. Spend 15 minutes refining just 2 techniques until they're crisp and spontaneous. This practice builds explosive speed and total confidence. Jeet Kune Do isn't about style, it's about efficiency under pressure. Jeet Kune Do's Wing Chun roots shine in trapping techniques. These are used in close range to clear an opponent's limbs and create striking openings. Begin with the pak sao, slapping hand, to redirect your opponent's guard. Combine it with a straight punch or elbow. Train slowly and precisely. Use a partner or dummy, or visualize in front of a mirror. Add other traps like lop sao, pulling hand, and jut sao, jerking hand, as you improve. Trapping is not about brute strength, it's about rhythm, timing, and sensitivity. It gives you control in the chaos of close quarters combat. Speed separates a skilled fighter from a great one. But speed in Jeet Kune Do is more than physical, it's mental. Begin with reflex drills, catching a dropped ball, reacting to partner cues, or using mobile apps for reaction timing. Then move into shadow boxing intervals. Pick 2 to 3 attack combos and perform them at full speed for 30 seconds. Rest for 30 and repeat. Add movement, traps, and kicks. Your goal, to strike without warning and retreat instantly. Bruce Lee didn't just react fast, he acted first. That's the level we aim for. Today, everything comes together. Your stance, punches, footwork, intercepts, kicks, trapping, and mindset all combine into flow. If you have a partner, do light sparring with gear. Focus on timing, range, and adaptability. If training solo, do 3 3-minute rounds of freestyle shadowboxing. Don't plan your movements, let them happen. Strike, move, intercept, reset, flow like water. Train in transitions, from long range to close, from punches to kicks to traps. Stay relaxed, alert, and adaptive. This is the essence of Jeet Kune Do, not just using techniques, but expressing yourself through them.